If your CapCut Desktop preview is looking washed out, faded, or just not matching the colors you expected, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. And if your actual footage was recorded in a flat log profile or low saturation, I'll also show you how to manually bring the colors back so your videos look rich, balanced, and professional again. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips just like this. Let's get started. First, in CapCut Desktop, make sure nothing is selected in your timeline. This part is really important. Just click any empty space in the timeline so no clip is highlighted. When no clip is selected, CapCut will show you the settings for the overall project instead of the individual video. Now look at the top right panel. You should see the details area for the project. This is where CapCut keeps the main project settings, including color space. Once you see that panel, go down to the bottom and click the blue Modify button. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where the main fix happens. Find the color space setting. If it says HDR or Auto, change it to SDR, specifically Rec.709. This is the standard color space for most regular videos, and switching to it often fixes that washed out look instantly. After you change the setting, click the blue Save button. Once you do that, CapCut should refresh the preview, and you'll usually notice the colors come back to life right away. This can make a huge difference if your video looked gray, dull, or faded before. Now, if your footage was already recorded with low saturation, flat colors, or a log profile, this project setting alone may not fully solve the problem. That's completely normal. In that case, you'll need to manually enhance the clip using CapCut's built-in color adjustment tools. To do that, click on the faded video clip in your timeline so it becomes selected. Then, go to the top right menu and open the Adjustment tab. This is where you can fine-tune the look of your footage and restore more natural color. Once you're in the Adjustment section, scroll down to the Basic subtab. Start with Saturation. Increasing saturation will immediately help bring back the missing color and make the video look less washed out. Don't overdo it at first. Just raise it slowly until the image starts looking more vibrant. Next, adjust contrast. Increasing contrast helps separate the bright parts and dark parts of the image, which gives it more depth and makes the footage feel less flat. If your video looks too soft or too pale, a little extra contrast can really help. If the video still looks overly white or a little bleached, reduce brightness or exposure slightly. This can help bring the image back into a more natural range and stop the highlights from overpowering the frame. You can also lower shadows a little bit if the blacks look weak or if the video still feels faded. Reducing shadows slightly can make darker areas richer and help the footage look more balanced overall. The key here is to make small adjustments and compare as you go. Every video is different, so your goal is not just to make the colors stronger, but to make them look natural and clean. So, to recap, if CapCut Desktop looks washed out, first deselect everything, open the Project Details panel, click Modify, and change the color space to SDR Rec.709, then save your changes and check the preview. If the footage still needs help, select the clip and use the Adjustment tab to increase saturation, raise contrast, slightly lower brightness or exposure, and gently reduce shadows. That's the full fix for washed out colors in CapCut Desktop. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments if you want more CapCut Desktop color correction guides.